Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna be doing our first collab of 2022. Never thought I'd be saying that so soon, but let's not delay this one because we're gonna be taking care of something that is fun to me. It may not be fun to you all, but I hope this motivates you because my collab is all about fun time on Fridays. So fun time Friday for me is gonna be redoing this coat closet into an area where all my crafts are stored. Okay, so now that we have it all cleared out, we're gonna go ahead and jump in here and get some paint on the wall because this color, it's depressing. So we wanna cheer it up a bit. We're just gonna go ahead and record around my little helper. He couldn't resist jumping in and throwing some paint on the wall for sure. Next, we're gonna grab our permanent markers and our masking tape and we're gonna throw them on the wall. Ready? Here we go. So we're gonna go ahead and do a 1/over. This is how it looks in all gray. Much better as far as the color is concerned. And now our masking tape goes on the wall. You just put it on here in no specific Okay, so we've finished that. Let's go ahead and peel the tape back. You don't have to wait any specific drying time. I just did all the lines and then peeled the tape back, and pretty much you are done with your wall design. Okay, so here I'm testing out some papers that I want to put in for my shelving to kind of cover up the hideous look of them. But I'm gonna decide later on, and you'll see it in the video, to go with something else. The white piece in the front is just our molding, our baseboard molding that was left over that I decided to go ahead and put up here to kind of give it a finished look. My apologies for the lighting. It's just the way that this closet is set up. You'll see shadows. I had a ring light set up on both sides, but you still get the shadows, so I apologize for the lighting being a little off, but I hope you're enjoying the video so far. If you are, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and definitely hit the bell if you're gonna subscribe so you're notified whenever I post my latest videos.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good. Fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts. I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong. I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth. Can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about. Have your fucking cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round. Bitch, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now.
You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
Cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my fucking mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient.